Howdy brewers, we're doing another extract in this brew. I had a bottle of this the other day, and I just thought, I wonder how close the extract version is to it. So in particular, that beer in particular was a Cooper's Sparkling Ale. So it's part of their Thomas Cooper series. They're the most expensive cans they make, and I am keen to see how close this is to the real thing. What I have is 1 can of extract. You need 1.5 kilos of dry malt extract, 300 grams of dextrose in 23 litres of water, and this is my mother culture of rehydrated or harvested Cooper's Ale yeast. This is from a Cooper's Pale Ale 6-pack, but it's the same yeast, so we're told. Alright, you've seen me mix it all before, but I'll put it in fast motion for you while as I dissolve all this and get it on the fermentation. Alright, see you soon. Okay, so there you have it. I've put together all the fermentables for the sparkling ale, the Cooper's Sparkling Ale, and hopefully it matches perfectly. You may have seen that I did things tonight slightly, might have wondered why I did things in certain order. I went onto the website and followed the recipe to a T. It was dissolve the dry malt extract first, then add the extract, the hopped extract, then add the dextrose. And it says to make it to 23 litres, and so I normally add the water to about 21 litres, and I do that in my fermentation freezer, and it's around about, especially when I do extract, it's at 21 litres. Tonight I just wanted to make sure it was spot on 23, and so that's what I did, and so I had to lift it into the fermentation fridge. That was the reason why that was different, and that was about it. Yeah, so we will see. I'm excited. Love this beer, the commercial version anyway, and so we'll just see how the extract version goes, it matches against it. I'll make sure I do a side by side as well. So until next time, happy brewing.